Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a repeating piston in Minecraft. First of all, you will need these materials, not as much as these, but simply you will need 4 repeaters, a couple of redstones, and as many pistons as you want. Simply a pickaxe to break things in case you made any mistakes, and the lever. Now, what you will need is to clear up some space, so here I am, and we will need to flat it up. I have it already flat. Now what you need to do also is to simply have it like this, so we can make a circle like so, and simply something like that. It should look in the end. Now open up all the repeaters to the max, as you can see here, and we need now to connect them. To do that, we need our redstone dust, so we can connect it all, something like this, and we need now is to power it up. So I'm gonna put this here, and as you can see, it is powering it up. Now what I'm gonna do is to break one, and then I'm gonna connect it again, and as you can see, it should turn on and off. Now what you need is to extend it from any position you want, for example from here, and I can expand it even more using another repeater if you want to, and then simply put a piston right in front of it, something like so. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. And now if I want it to be turned off and on, I can simply put a lever and simply click on it, and this should be turning it off and on, as you can see right here. So it's very easy and simple. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.